Carrier HVAC systems use error codes to diagnose problems. Error code E6 indicates a fault with the indoor fan motor, also known as the blower motor. This often involves electrical issues such as overcurrent, a locked rotor, or problems with the control board. When E6 appears, the system might shut down or operate erratically, leading to poor airflow and potentially overheating. Fixing E6 is essential for maintaining air quality and system efficiency. Several factors can trigger the Carrier E6 error code, which indicates an indoor fan motor fault. Let's examine the most common causes one by one. First, a failed run capacitor is a frequent cause. This component stores electrical energy to provide the initial torque needed to start the motor. When the capacitor fails, the motor cannot get the power boost it needs to begin rotating, resulting in the E6 error code. Second, wiring issues such as loose connections or damaged wires can disrupt the electrical flow to the motor. This prevents the motor from receiving consistent power, leading to erratic operation or complete failure, which triggers the E6 error. Third, a locked rotor occurs when the motor's internal rotor cannot spin freely. This is often caused by mechanical obstructions, bearing wear, or debris buildup, preventing normal operation and causing the system to display the E6 error code. Fourth, a malfunctioning control board is another common cause. This electronic component manages the motor's operation, and issues like damaged circuitry, software glitches, or power supply problems can prevent proper motor control, resulting in the E6 error. Finally, dirty air filters can also cause the E6 error indirectly. When filters become clogged with dust and debris, they restrict airflow through the system, forcing the motor to work harder to circulate air and increasing its electrical load, which may lead to motor failure. Understanding these common causes helps in diagnosing and addressing the E6 error effectively. Regular maintenance can prevent many of these issues from occurring in the first place. Diagnosing the E6 fault begins with systematic checks of the indoor fan motor and its components. First, perform a visual inspection of the indoor fan motor and its wiring. Look for any obvious damage such as frayed wires, loose connections, or physical wear that could cause the fault. Next, check the run capacitor using a multimeter. Measure the capacitance to ensure it falls within the manufacturer's specified range, as a faulty capacitor can prevent the motor from starting properly. Then, test the motor windings with an ohmmeter for continuity and resistance. The readings should be within the manufacturer's specifications, typically less than 5 ohms, to confirm the windings are intact. Finally, verify that the motor is receiving the correct voltage of 120 or 240 volts AC, and check for any voltage irregularities that could cause the E6 fault. Begin troubleshooting by turning off the power to the HVAC system at the breaker box. This is crucial for safety to prevent electrical shocks or short circuits during inspection. Next, open the HVAC unit by removing the access panel. Locate the indoor fan motor, which is usually mounted near the blower assembly and connected to the control board. Perform a visual inspection of the motor and all wiring connections. Look for signs of damage like burnt insulation, corrosion, or loose terminals that could cause the E6 fault. Test the run capacitor using a multimeter. First, discharge the capacitor safely, then measure its microfarad MFD rating. Values outside the labeled range indicate a faulty capacitor. Test the motor windings with a multimeter set to ohms. Check for continuity between start and run windings and ensure resistance readings match manufacturer specifications, typically under 5 ohms. Replace any faulty components. For capacitors, use an exact MFD match. If the motor windings are open or show infinite resistance, the motor assembly needs replacement by a qualified technician. Inspect and secure all wiring connections. Ensure terminals are tight and free of corrosion, as loose connections can cause intermittent faults, leading to E6 errors. Finally, restore power at the breaker and turn the system back on. Run a test cycle and monitor the unit for proper blower fan operation, and ensure the E6 error does not return. When dealing with carrier error code E6, understanding when to handle repairs yourself versus calling a professional is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Simple issues like a failed capacitor can often be addressed by homeowners who have basic electrical knowledge and the right tools. This is a common fix that doesn't require specialized equipment. However, more complex problems such as motor replacement or control board malfunctions require professional expertise. These involve intricate electrical systems and safety considerations. Attempting to repair these complex issues without proper training can lead to further damage to the system, create safety hazards like electrical fires, or even void your warranty. Carrier recommends professional intervention for most E6 cases to avoid voiding warranties and ensure the repair is done safely and correctly. Regular maintenance is key to preventing E6 errors. By addressing common issues before they become problems, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure your system runs efficiently. Regular maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of E6 errors by preventing motor strain and electrical faults that lead to indoor fan motor failures. One crucial step is to clean or replace air filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing the motor to work harder and increasing the risk of overcurrent or locked rotor conditions that trigger E6. Schedule annual tune-ups with a qualified HVAC technician. These professional inspections examine the motor, capacitor, and wiring connections to catch potential issues early. During tune-ups, technicians often lubricate motor bearings to reduce friction, tighten electrical connections to prevent voltage drops, and test the capacitor's performance. These steps help maintain proper motor function and prevent E6 faults. Modern Carrier systems, especially the Infinity series, incorporate smart diagnostics and remote monitoring. The Carrier app provides real-time notifications of E6 faults and guided troubleshooting steps. IoT-enabled systems use machine learning to predict potential issues based on usage data, reducing downtime. Firmware updates have also improved code specificity, making it easier to differentiate E6 from similar faults. These advancements enhance the ability to address issues proactively and efficiently. The future of HVAC systems points toward greater electrification and AI integration. Predictive algorithms could automate fixes, such as remotely adjusting motor speeds to prevent E6. Eco-friendly refrigerants like R454B are improving overall system efficiency and reducing motor strain. While challenges like cybersecurity risks in smart systems exist, the trend toward preventive maintenance and advanced diagnostics promises to decrease the occurrence of E6 errors and improve overall system reliability.